What's going on, guys? This is Karol yet with another affiliate marketing video, and today we are going to look at how you can actually do affiliate marketing with YouTube Shorts. Right, the YouTube Shorts are really booming right now, and it is really the strategy to go for. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so first of all we need to understand what these YouTube Shorts are actually, okay? So these YouTube Shorts are actually short videos, right? And the only purpose or the main purpose of these YouTube Shorts is to kind of like emulate the success of TikTok, okay? TikTok is really booming right now, and you know, it has really a great success with these short form videos, these horizontal short form videos, and therefore other platforms including YouTube and Instagram are trying to kind of like emulate this success on their platform as well. So YouTube Shorts are a form of this, okay? It is a horizontal video with kind of like these hashtag shorts, and it can be up to 60 seconds, okay? Now, how can you actually do affiliate marketing using these YouTube Shorts? Now, what YouTube is actually doing these days, or you know, past time, is that they're actually boosting people who are actually creating these shorts. Therefore, you can get kind of like bigger audience through these YouTube Shorts and potentially grow your audience and your channel pretty fast. So what are the ways how you can actually leverage this thing? All right, so first of all, there are several ways what kind of YouTube Shorts videos you can create. So there are a few methods, okay? The first one is if you are already creating some content on YouTube, like regular videos, right? Just like this one. What you can do is create a short form of it, or kind of like a snippet, right? Which is just like a part of the video that you're normally creating, and then you can link this YouTube Shorts video to the regular video. All right, so kind of like a part of the original video, okay? Original video. Now, what this means, or what this can actually do, is that excuse my handwriting. What this method is actually doing is that with this YouTube Shorts, you can tap into a different audience, all right, a bigger audience, and therefore you can link this audience to your normal regular video where you talk about, you know, whatever it is that you're talking about in greater detail, and you can link therefore to your affiliate products or to your email list or whatever it might be, okay, later on. But you know, with these YouTube Shorts, you can, you know, bring that awareness about your channel first of all to the bigger audience. All right, now you can either do it using cards, all right, info cards inside of the video, or you can just link it in the description below. Okay, in the YouTube Shorts video, you can do kind of like some text that, you know, click the link, watch the full video over there, and so on and so forth. All right, so that's number one. Now, the second method is to directly link it to your product or to your opt-in page. Okay, so link directly to the product. Okay, now I say product because YouTube actually allows you to put affiliate links in the description below, right? However, I always recommend and suggest to everybody to create, you know, a landing page. After the landing page, build a bridge page, build a sales funnel, all right, where you take these people not directly to the sales page, to a product where they are immediately asked to buy something, but take them through kind of like a journey, all right? Collect their email addresses on the opt-in page, all right? And then later on, you know, put them through a sales funnel, bring some value to them, you know, create a relationship with them, and later on, even though if they don't buy the product, the first one, you know, because many people, you know, to many people it might not be the right product that you're promoting, right? But later on, inside of the emails, you keep in touch with them, and you can later on offer them different products that are either similar or just different, and they might buy those products. But if you link them, if you link your videos, your short videos, and you send these people directly to the product, you're never going to get that email or that chance to offer them other products anymore. All right, so that's very, very important. That's what I suggest. And if you are interested in how to actually build that, I have a 4-day video series where I talk about it in great detail. So if you are interested in that, it's completely free and you get full access to it. It's in the description below over there, and you can get it literally for free. All right, so in that case, I will see you inside of it, but after that, let's just continue with our topic. So these are kind of like the two main ways how you can use YouTube Shorts for affiliate marketing and really leveraging and boosting, using this boost of YouTube. Now, what I suggest to everybody is not only use, obviously, if you are creating other content on YouTube, irregular videos, all right? In that case, I suggest you to continue with your YouTube videos, just like you have it regularly, okay? Keep that pace, keep that regular pace, and just add these YouTube Shorts as an addition to it. Now, obviously, consistency is key in this, so I suggest you to really create YouTube Shorts on a daily basis if you can, all right? And now, you know, the logic behind that is the more videos you create, the bigger the chance that they can go viral or they can get this boost from YouTube, right? So that's kind of like just the bare logic, but what you can actually suggest, or sorry, what you can actually expect is, obviously, if you're just starting out with your YouTube channel, okay? If you're just starting out and you have 0 or very few videos, very few subscribers, don't expect, you know, obviously some rocket science or anything huge, okay? You're not going to get thousands and thousands of followers or views just by using shorts, but you can really grow your audience, grow your channel very fast using these YouTube Shorts, because none of these, not only they are, you know, using or sending to the regular audience like normal videos, but they get this boost from YouTube and you can tap into different audiences, right? Now, important thing is to use the SEO of the videos just like you would with a normal video, all right? So just use the keywords, okay? Use the keywords in the title, use the keywords in the description, use relevant tags, okay? So just use it exactly like you would with a normal video, but just add that hashtag shorts, okay? Hashtag shorts and in the title, and that's pretty much it, okay? So that's pretty much it for our video. I hope you enjoyed it, hope you get some value from it. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, all right? I would love to catch up with you and have some nice chat about it, all right? And listen guys, if you want, again, the 4-day video series about affiliate marketing, about creating the sales funnel, about creating the value and, you know, bringing people to the bridge pages and opt-in forms and all of that stuff about affiliate marketing. If you are interested in that, again, it is in the description below, completely free. You get full access to it, and just take it as an extension of this video. All right guys, so if so, I will see you inside of it. If not, I will see you in the next videos. Thank you again for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye guys.